It is cut off.
Mission failed successfully.
So every day when you get up and look out over this ranch, just know how much your family loves you, our strong and caring man. You worked so hard for your whole life, did it on your own with mom there by your side, building Creed.
Cleaning all this off today. Well, it's mostly clean as it is, but we want this area right here to be picked up because we got fallen trees around this area. As you can see right here across this lining, and we've already chopped down all the brushes. We're gonna take down a few of these small trees with an axe and a chainsaw. Look, there's Ricky, Larry, and everyone else.
Move, Danny.
Danny! And she walks right under it.
Danny, go! Sorry, baby. Don't want you to get smacked with a tree. Let's put this one down there.
What did this one do to you?
Be tall. I mean, look. How can I live up to this?
It's like, we got bundles of it. Yeah, let's cut it.
Yeah, buddy.
Hoorah!
Yeah, buddy.
Tradition? Put the axe in it. We can push it now.
Do I need to short it down some, guys?
No, that should be good. Starting to feel like lumberjack? Alright guys, we got to go this way and tell Larry, you guys know him from our first video, to hop on the excavator. What you doing? Why a tape measure?
Go in his door. Go in my door. I just can't have it open.
Should do your door.
I got a track off on that skid steer.
Got a track off on the skid steer? How did we get it back on?
It ain't easy. I'll go up there and tell him. I like just driving across the road and it come on. Track it come off that Sunday before.
So I had a dilemma with one of the pieces of equipment, one of our pieces of equipment. Huh. Anyways, had a dilemma with it. It's got the track popped off. The track popped off. Now we can get it back on, and we will get it back on. And yes, these are hookups for trailers, just in case anyone was wondering. This ranch used to be a resort. Well, if we can get all that up and pile all that up together, then we'll be happy campers. Do we already get all the axes and stuff up?
Yeah, so not only did we, but we all put everything away.
Yeah, it's all.
You can't use the socket too small because, you know, I don't have the fitting for it, but you can use good size.
That little.
Oh, you should be able to use fitting for that. Where did it come off the track at?
All the way, you see it's off on the inside of it. And the back's back here like it.
Well, the back, it looks like it's on right here.
No, it's off.
No, it's It's on right there.
Huh?
It is on right there in the center. Look.
It's on right here.
But right back here it is.
It ain't back there. Okay.
Where down the
We
bottom?
have to back around to get it starting to. Yeah, when we start backing, it might pull back around on this. We take us a chain, maybe, and hook and pull this way.
It's bigger than that.
Yeah, right.
Look at that. That little sockets that come save the day every day. Right?
To put on the back of it,
It
or,
probably wouldn't hurt.
you know, like I know we
Yeah,
had
to get
something that we could let the front back down about that long.
I wonder if we couldn't just start backing up and see if the sun gonna eat its way back over. Got a little chain or something though we can hook on it and pull it.
Right there in the back of the UTV, we got a long chain and a little chain.
Yeah, it don't matter. Just any chain we can get hooked around. Any way we can pull this back up this way.
So can I find us a chain, Charles?
You don't need a wrench now.
Yeah, I don't want to bust a ratchet or an extension or something.
Let's get a 3/4
Will you pick a chain up, Rick? Will you grab a chain? Or strip it off, whatever you do. We're gonna go get it. All right. Back. Just fall on there. Alright, you in there. Oh! You in on the back.
Alright. Let's do the same thing to the front now. It probably ain't gonna do it going forward, but let him try. No. Hell, keep backing it around.
Keep backing it around. Back up. I wonder if we hook that chain around here. Like through here.
Let him come back forward just a little bit.
Come. I'd rather not, dude. I mean, the only reason because, hey. Come forward. Go backwards, Regan. Back it up. Rick, back up. Hold on. Go forward, Rick. A little bit. Go. Yeah, it's on there. Wow.